everyone! Yo, what's up? So today we are in Nusa Dua, especially we are in the Apurva Kempinski. So it's weekend and they have a very nice afternoon tea time.
Afternoon tea, check this out, how beautiful, so much beautiful stuff. Oh, sayang, yeah, between actually now.
Yeah, so we will stroll around to show you how is the Apurva Kempinski nowadays, and maybe most of you also curious about how the afternoon tea, especially on Friday and Saturday, all you can eat afternoon tea.
And that's the beautiful stuff what you can have here, sweet and savory here, like this one. And then if it's all gone, honey, you can go and take as much as you want.
Looks so good. So this is how it is, the situation for the afternoon tea time. All of the cakes looks so yummy, yum. Looks so yum. All you can eat, basically. Very nice. Hello. Oh, look at the Easter eggs. So nice. Love it.
And this is the set for me, 5 different sweet things I'm gonna move around. This is like Easter edition, by the way, and blueberry tart and the strawberry and raspberry, everything fresh, everything very nice for me. And on today's occasion we have a private room, like where you can sit only we, and beautiful view of the hotel and all the facilities, like this one, ocean over there. Last time we were sitting there, we're in the public balcony, like today a little bit different. Later we're gonna go down, explore the hotel. Very nice place, and there's the buffet, so you can walk and eat as much as you want.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Check this out, beautiful art here, and this is just the bar. Well, actually restaurant and the bar at the same time. So beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful, isn't it, Sayang? What do you say?
Yeah, so now let's explore the area here in the Apurva Kempinski. Let's go.
Apurva Kempinski. And this is actually the beach club also at the same time with the swimming pool. They have a DJ. Yo, what's up? Yo! Very nice place, isn't it?
Yeah, so now let's walk and stroll around to show you how it is. I know that even, we come here, I think that more than once, yeah,
Few
Hania,
times
to show
already.
you.
But check this out, how beautiful is it? This is the bar, this is the hotel in the background, this is the beach club, and this is the beach actually. It's just simply cool place. That's why we came in here time to time to show you. Why not, right?
It's very enjoyable. And if you're asking about the price, well, I can say that, the food in restaurant and the food for the afternoon tea, we paid around 190K, right, honey, for the afternoon tea.
Yeah.
It's very tasty and lovely. And then the food price there, but I can say that,
Still affordable actually.
Affordable.
No difference between any other big fancy beach clubs in Bali, to be
Yeah.
honest. So it's cool. So basically, hotel is behind us. We came for afternoon tea, what you saw, this beautiful dessert and some savory snacks. Super cool. In my opinion, very worth to come. We met some our lovely viewers as well there. They actually celebrate the birthday at the same occasion. That's why there's little clip because we helped the waiter with the cake. Actually, we didn't know. It was a surprise for everybody. So cool. And now it's the view of the beach. So if you ever stay here, the beach looks like this one. It's actually very, very cool and very enjoyable.
This is how it is. I think that one of our friends also from Greece just arrived here, but I think that they are still shopping in Bali collection.
Yeah. We missed, but it's okay. The hotel looks like this one. So I think what I could say is just worth
Amazing.
to recommend this
Yes.
place in general. And also low tide. So recently you cannot swim, but at morning the water is higher, but also there are low tides. And there is the wedding chapel, sunset time behind, so that's why it's everything a little bit grayish. But also even it's busy in the hotel, but the hotel is that big as everything looks calm.
This hotel, what I remember and what I know, this used to be the hotel where I think that all the presidents, something like that,
For
yeah,
G20,
honey,
yeah.
for the G20 staying here. And what I can say that very nice.
Very nice indeed, indeed. Many people coming here and making pictures also because this is very unique architecture of this hotel. Last time was wedding here, but it's not today. And the chapel is there just in case if you would like. Many people coming actually to making pictures because it's very picturesque place. Very nice. Just in general, I don't know what I can say because it's just the hotel at the same time. But that's nice hotel.
Yeah, and I think that Mr. President Jokowi also
favorite
here,
one as well.
favorite one coming here also.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
he likes to stay. There are actually private villas there, I mean hotel villas, but there with the private swimming pool. Main lobby, we had the afternoon tea also upstairs there. And I just give you example, there is on the Oak Aquarium restaurant. Maybe we can have a look today because we always asking if they allow us to get inside. And I think they have a public hours at 5. So there is aquarium restaurant, public pool. There is the beach club and the restaurant with this nice looking bar, right? This is the beach situation, wedding chapel, and then there are rooms. So also not only villas, but the proper rooms and the suites. So yeah, so just in case if you ask, this is not paid endorsement. We're just making these videos in the hotels, in the restaurants, because we like it. Just simply like that. We never get invitation to make this video in purpose from Kempinski. But many of you actually just realized coming here because you like this place.
This is actually the pool situation where you can enjoy the pool, walking under the coconut trees. So yeah,
it's just beautiful, isn't it? People enjoying. That's the rooms. You can enjoy the pool if you are staying obviously here. I don't think so actually as guest you can jump to the pool, no? I don't think
like
so.
if you are not staying here.
No, I don't think so. Only for the guests, but in general, very enjoyable. Weather is nice. Another restaurant here, I think this restaurant is popular for the Sunday brunch, but also maybe guests of the hotel having a breakfast here. Recently it's closed, but I believe it's for the brunch and for the breakfast, or breakfast actually in the maybe in the villas inside. I just want to show you the gardens and everything. You can nearly get lost here if you are walking. But the one very good thing about the hotels in Bali is that 90% of the hotels allow you to come, stroll around, enjoy the restaurants and the bars and afternoon tea, stuff like this one, without staying as the guest in the hotel, which is, in my opinion, very cool. And of course, would be love to jump to the pool, but yeah, if you are staying, that's reserved for the guests. And I think this is also a good system, otherwise will be too many people inside. And as you can see, this hotel is really huge and you can walk up, but we took the buggy and the lift to go in. But if you would like to exercise a little bit, you can go up. Also great place to making some really cool pictures around. So this is the lobby and we have afternoon tea there, or there. Previously there, today there. We walked there, we took lift 15 floors down, and then we took the car going to the beach over there. And this is the situation on the pool. They have a slide, so it's kids friendly as well. And well, if you would like to climb up, you can also. We did actually once, but I don't want to do it again.
No, but I think that one is actually the room with the villas, yeah? Villas, yeah.
That's all of this, that's the villas. 1 2-bedroom villas, and the rooms are on the back side.
Yeah, over there and over there.
By the way, today is the Easter Friday and it's Easter weekend, so happy Easter for everybody who celebrate. Here we go!
The Greek people are here. How are you guys?
The Greek people are here.
There you go, we're all getting out.
See, we're meeting people all day long.
Everywhere, that's it.
All the time.
Alright, so it's time to have a drink and I'll show you this one, the restaurant. Hello! Oh wow, look at this. Very nice bar, very cool bar. Yeah, so nice. And this one, the aircon room. And yeah, I'll show you outside how it is. Oops. So this one is the restaurant as well. I think that one for the seafood. Very nice. And what I can say, this one is also family friendly resort. As you see, some people just having a chill by the pool there with the family. So nice.
And also that's the view of the hotel. That's the villas and suites here, and the point of view. It's huge. Well, very enjoyable to have a look here at least once in the lifetime, that's for sure. And of course the lobby is huge and impressive. We make a video here already at least 2 times, so today just a little bit to show you around. The ladies playing on the piano, and well, that's the lobby. Pretty impressive, pretty big. And just I want to show you the marble here on the floor. I always so impressed about this marble floor. I know, small thing, but for me it's cool. And of course you can come to the balcony, and well, that's the view of everything, the ocean. And well, you can just have a coffee drink here in normal circumstances, or even having afternoon tea. So cool. And huge place, highly recommended.
All right, it's so happy to meet beautiful people, you know. And yeah, I think that's all from Kempinski. Oh my God, it's very hard for me to say.
You have too many sweet things today,
I'm
aren't
a
you?
sugar rush. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya, bye.